Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another super fast, super sweet FMS logo tip. If you followed my lesson 6 and took the gifts, you've got some sweet tools that you may not know about. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright friends, so to get to these cool skills, you need to load your project from the previous day. Remember, we save ours always with a new name. Mine was called Day 8. And then you had to have completed Lesson 6. If you did not complete Lesson 6 where you got the gifts, you need to go up here to this link and you can complete it again. So some commands I gave you were little things like SS4. This was not part of logo, it was something I created. And then when you do forward 50, it draws with a thicker line. The command is so simple, I'm going to show it to you. If we go down to the SS commands, there's an SS1 and an SS4. When you open it, it just says set pen size, which is the long command, with the little brackets and size 4, size 4. If we do SS1 and press enter, and then do forward 50 again, which I'm going to double click, you can see it goes back to your size 1. You can make any sizes you wanted. A new command called SS10, and it did size 10, whatever you wanted, but I wanted you to see that those were available to quickly change your pen size. Another amazing command, I'm going to do CS, is game. When you type game, it draws 3 circles on the screen, and then your challenge is to do XY and get in the circles as fast as you can. I'm going to aim for this circle right here. So I'm going to do XY, and I'm going to go 100 over, and I'm going to go down 20. You can see that got close to the shape, but you're not really in until the turtle is completely in the shape. You can see I did get in, but I'm not going to show you the codes. I used a sweet command called CT to clear the text, because I want you to have the challenge of trying to find these. And then if you type fill once you're in, boom, you can show that you hit that shape. If you wanted to be a little cooler, you could also do set FC4, and then when you typed fill, it would turn red as well. And of course, your challenge with this cute little game is to just see how few shots it takes you to get in the circles. Friends, they're both totally simple things, but they are useful, and it helps you get ready for the quiz on Set XY, which we know is coming up. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.